Hey guys, so quick video for you. If you're looking for a way how to crossplay Terraria between PC and PS4, it's not yet possible. And like even right here, when I look, I'm going to show you this. So like 6 years ago, the devs hinted that trying to introduce crossplay when the PC and console versions are practically the same. Right now, the two versions are too different to work together, but we can hope for the future. 6 years ago it was, and even right now, it's 2024, and there is no still crossplay. So I just want to make this like quick and effective video, what you need to know, and that's pretty much it. So thank you for watching. Hope it helped you at least a little bit, and have a great day.